Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar and welcome to Finance MCQ channel. Friends, in this channel we are bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please like the video and share it with your friends whom you think this video might be useful. So let's begin. So friends, the first vacancy is from Indian Maritime University, which is a central university under Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. Friends, the recruitment here is for 3 posts of Assistant Finance at Chennai. Friends, the education qualification asked is Bachelor degree in Commerce or Mathematics or Statistics with minimum 50%. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a permanent post and you don't need to have any experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 26 January 2020. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 7 posts of assistant at Chennai. Friends, here the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree with minimum 50%. Friends, the upper age limit is 35 years here. It's a permanent post and again no experience is required to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 26th January 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from Daulat Ram College, which is under University of Delhi. Friends, here the vacancy is for 1 post of senior assistant at Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a graduate or a post-graduation. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a permanent post and no experience is required to apply for this vacancy. The package would be around 6.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply online to the university before 26th December 2020. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 1 post of assistant. Friends, here the education qualification as is a graduation. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a permanent post and again no experience is required to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 26th December 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, which is a Government of India undertaking under Ministry of Defence. Friends, here the recruitment is for Additional General Manager under E6 category. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. The upper limit is 50 years. It's a 1 vacancy post at Kolkata. Friends, it's a fixed tenure post and the experience asked is 20 years. Friends, the package would be 31 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 22nd December 2020. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for manager at E3 level. The education qualification asked is CA or CMA. Friends, the upper limit is 42 years. It's a 1 vacancy post at Kolkata. It's a permanent post, friends, but you need to have 8 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 20 lakhs gross and you have to apply online again before 22nd December 2020. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 posts of deputy manager at E2 level. Friends, here the education qualification asked is again a CA or CMA. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a permanent post and you need to have minimum 5 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 17 lakhs gross and you have to apply online again before 22nd December 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from Mahatma Gandhi Antarashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalaya for the recruitment of 1 post of finance officer. Friends, the Vishwavidyalaya is located at Wardha, Maharashtra and the education qualification asked is a master's degree with 55%. Friends, the upper limit is 57 years and it's a tenure post of 5 years. Friends, as far as experience is considered, the candidate should have 15 years of experience as assistant professor in academic level 11 or 8 years experience in academic level 12 including as associate professor or 15 years of admin experience. Friends, even comparable experience in research establishment or in institute of higher education is admissible. Friends, the package would be 26 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 2nd January 2021. Moving on. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 1 post of Deputy Finance Officer. Friends, here education qualification again is master's degree with 55%. Friends, the upper limit is 55 years. It's a permanent post here and you need to have experience of 9 years as assistant professor in academic level 10 or 5 years of admin experience. Friends, the package would be 15 lakhs gross and you have to apply online to the Vishwavidyalaya before 2nd January 2021. Next vacancy is again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of internal audit officer. Friends, this is a post on deputation or contract. That means those who are already in government organization are eligible to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the experience asked is officers holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in level 11 of 7 CPC. Friends, the upper limit is 55 years and the package would be around 15 lakhs gross. And friends, again you have to apply online before 2nd January 2021. Friends, next vacancy is by UPSC for the recruitment of two posts of assistant legal advisor at Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. Friends, here the education qualification asked is a degree in law or having master's degree in law. Friends, there will be all India transfers. It's a permanent post, and as far as experience is considered, for degree in law holder you need to have 3 years of experience, while for master's degree in law holder 1 year of experience is required. Friends, the package would be 12.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 31st December 2020. Friends, next vacancy is for the recruitment of 4 posts of Assistant Professor Commerce at Tirunelveli Dakshina Mara Nadar Sangam College at Tamil Nadu. Friends, here the education qualification asked is minimum 55% marks at master's level and qualified NET or SET exam. Friends, there is no upper age limit to apply for these vacancies. It's a permanent post and the desirable experience is asked is of teaching. Friends, the package would be 10.8 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline before 28th December 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from Electronics Corporation of India Limited, which is a Government of India enterprise under Department of Atomic Energy. Friends, here the recruitment is for one post of Deputy General Manager Finance at Hyderabad. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, and as far as age limit is considered, the applicant should have born on or after 30th November 1970. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have 17 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the salary per month would be 1,37,920 rupees as per advertisement. Friends, you have to apply online before 31st December 2020. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 posts of Senior Manager Finance. Friends, here the education qualification asked again is CA or CMA and the age limit is considered the applicant should have born on or after 30th November 1973. Friends, again a permanent post and you need to have 14 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. The salary per month would be 1,20,680. Friends, you have to apply online before 31st December 2020. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of accounts officer. The education qualification asked is also same here, but the age limit is the candidate should have born on or after 30th November 1992. Friends, as far as the nature of employment is considered, again a permanent post and there is a preferable experience asked in costing. Friends, the salary per month would be 69,360 and you have to apply online before 31st December 2020. Friends, a gentle reminder for those who are preparing for SEBI Grade A Officer exam, please visit financemcq.in where the entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus of general stream, that is paper 2, is brought in MCQ format. Friends, here you have 2000 plus subject wise or topic wise MCQ questions to practice. Friends, we have added explanation for correct answers wherever required, and friends, apart from these there are 25 national level test series covering the technical syllabus for more and more practice. So friends, do visit financemcq.in and practice your technical syllabus well. Moving on, next vacancy is from Bharat Electronics Limited, which is under Ministry of Defence. Friends, here the recruitment is for 6 posts of Trainee Officer Finance. Friends, the education qualification asked is a full-time MBA Finance. Friends, the upper limit is 25 years and the place of posting would be either Ghaziabad or on Pan-India project sites of BEL. Friends, it's a contractual post and you need to have experience of 1 year to apply for this vacancy. Friends, you will get a consolidated per month salary of 25,000 rupees. And friends, you have to apply online before 26th December 2020. So very good career opportunity for those who are looking to start up their initial career with an experience with a national level Navratna company like BEL. Moving on, next vacancy is from Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited, which is a Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Railway. Friends, here the recruitment is for one post of Group General Manager Finance. Friends, the education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance or Post-Graduation Diploma in Business Management Finance or Post-Graduation Diploma in Business Administration Finance with 70%. Friends, the upper limit is 52 years. Friends, the permanent post you need to have 20 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. The package would be 22 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 14th January 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for DGM Finance. The educational qualification asked is again same, but here the age limit is 43 years. Friends, it's a 2 vacancy post and again a permanent post. The experience asked is 7 years. The package would be around 9 lakhs gross. Friends, the mode of application and last date is also same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, next vacancy is from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of Deputy Manager Company Secretary. Friends, here the educational qualification is a CS qualified candidate. The upper limit is 38 years. It's a permanent post and you need to have minimum 2 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the package would be 6 lakhs gross and you have to apply online before 14th January 2020. That's all for this week, friends. See you all next week. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.